Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about why ashwagandha is much more better when combined with lemon balm and vitamin B5. We're going to talk about the components of each of the ingredients as well as why they are better together and a couple of important precautions and warnings you need to take into account when taking a supplement that contains ashwagandha, lemon balm and vitamin B5. Now these are wonderful three distinct substances known for their health benefits. While scientific studies have investigated the properties of each of these individually, there is unfortunately limited research on the specific combination of ashwagandha, lemon balm, and vitamin B5. However, there are some important links and complementary effects that can be explored based on each of the properties of these ingredients. First of all, we have ashwagandha. Now, ashwagandha is an adaptogenic herb, meaning that it helps the body adapt to stress and maintain balance, and this has been studied extensively for its many benefits in terms of reducing stress and anxiety, improving mood, and supporting overall well-being. We also have lemon balm, which is known for its calming effects, and it's known to help in reducing anxiety and promote relaxation. When combined with ashwagandha, they work well together, and it also has mild sedative effects. Then we have vitamin B5, which is important for stress response. So it also helps because lemon balm, ashwagandha, and vitamin B5 are both, or three of them are responsible for reducing stress. And vitamin B5 specifically is important for the synthesis of coenzyme A, which plays an important role in the body's stress response. Adequate levels of vitamin B5 is also important for adrenal function and the production of stress-related hormones. Now, how they are important? They're important when combined for three different reasons. First of all, because all three ingredients are important for stress reduction. Ashwagandha, vitamin B5, as well as lemon balm is important for managing stress. Combining them may support the body's stress response mechanism. Specifically, lemon balm has calming effects which could complement all these actions, helping to promote a more comprehensive approach to stress reduction. Secondly, they're all important for cognitive function, specifically ashwagandha, which has been studied for its many cognitive enhancing properties, and lemon balm is known for its calming influence on the nervous system. So together, they will contribute to a state of mental well-being. Vitamin B5 here is involved in energy metabolism and may also indirectly support cognitive function. Thirdly, they are important for mood support, specifically lemon balm. It's often used to improve mood. It's used to reduce symptoms of anxiety, which could complement ashwagandha's potential mood stabilizing properties. Vitamin B5, as a cofactor in neurotransmitter synthesis, also helps in mood regulation. Now, just before you get started using a supplement containing all three ingredients, there are a couple of precautions and warnings I need you to be aware of, starting with individual responses. So, responses to supplements can vary from individual to individual. What works for me may not work for you in the same way. It's really important to monitor your own reactions and consult with your doctor if needed. Secondly, in regards to the dosage and formulations, the effectiveness of any supplement combination does depend on many factors, such as the dosage, formulation, the specific needs of the individual. So considerations should always be given to appropriate dosages and the potential for medical interactions as well. Thirdly, scientific evidence. So while each of these components, ashwagandha, lemon balm, and vitamin B5, has been studied individually, there is more research that is needed to confirm the specific benefits and interactions of combining all three ingredients. So please, before using any supplement, make sure that you consult with your healthcare professional in order to ensure that it is right for you. You may have specific health conditions, you may have specific medication that you take on a regular basis that might interact with these supplements. I wish you all the best, and if you enjoyed today's video, like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.